Hello guys, nandito na naman ang Pretty Mom ng Spain. To this video, magluluto po ako ngayon ng carrot cakes. Tara guys! Ito po yung mga ingredients. Meron tayong 2 egg, grated carrots, at saka yung raisin, at saka yung nuts, baking soda, canela powder, yung ating harina, half cup na sugar, vanilla extract, at saka yung ating baking powder. At maglalagay din ako ng konting asin. Ayan guys, first ibit natin yung 2 egg. Then ilagay na natin guys yung ating sugar. And then stir it until well combined. Then ilagay ko na guys yung ating flour. 2 cups na ilalagay ko guys. 1 cups. Then yung ating second cups. Then maglagay na rin ako guys ng oil. Yung vanilla extract. Yung ating canela powder. Yung ating baking powder. Baking soda. At saka yung ating salt. Yan. I-mix lang natin siya guys hanggang well combine yung ating wet ingredients. Ayan na siya guys. And then ilagay na natin guys yung ating grated carrots at saka yung ating raisin at saka nuts. Then i-mix natin siya ulit guys hanggang well combine ulit. Ayan na siya guys. Well combine na. Ayan, dito sa baking tray guys, naglagay lang ako ng butter at saka harina para hindi didikit yung ating ibibake na carrot cake. Then, ibuhos na natin guys yung ating mixture. Yan, ilagay na natin guys sa oven for 35 minutes. At habang hindi pa luto yung ating carrot cake guys, magawa muna ako ng kanyang icing. Ayan, maglagay lang ako ng 5 kutsarang white sugar. 4. Then 5. Then meron din tayong isang Philadelphia.
Wow.
Ayan, i-blend lang natin siya guys hanggang well combined. Mahirap ito guys. Pero masarap ito sa carrot cakes.
What carrot?
Ayan guys, luto na yung ating carrot cakes at palalamigin lang natin at saka natin ilagay yung ating ginawang icing. Yan na guys, malamig na yung ating carrot cake at hiniwa ko ito guys ng kalahati. Ayan, ilagay ko na yung ating icing sa gitna. Then spread lang natin siya guys hanggang ma-spread yung ating ginawang icing. Then ilagay ko na guys yung kalahati. Ayan. At lagyan din natin dito sa kanyang ibabaw. Yan, spread lang din natin siya guys hanggang malagyan lahat yung ibabaw ng carrot cake. Yan, ito na guys yung ginawa kong carrot cake. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo yung aking video and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, God bless to all.